I am checking the vital signs of Cadbury before she goes home, which was our dental and scale today. Just making sure that everything's within the normal range and that she is okay to go home in herself. Okay, so you need to pick up Cadbury. Yep. So we've just done a scale and polish today. So just give him some soft food tonight. Don't give him anything hard because he might be a bit sensitive around the gums. He has had an antibiotic injection before waking up as well. We're a bit tired for the next 12-24 hours just because of the anaesthetic. Yep. But if he still seems tired more than 24 hours, then definitely get us clothes or something out. Yep. But yeah, it's really good. Did you have any questions?
Did you need any teeth removed?
No, there was no teeth removed. All his teeth are actually really good. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all done.
That's all good. Thank you.
Not a problem. Cadbury did not have any belongings, seeming that he did come in a carrier cage.